Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make yogurt from curd. First, understand that yogurt is a fermented dairy product, and curd serves as its essential base. This guide will walk you through a simple, rewarding process. You'll learn how to transform basic curd into delicious, homemade yogurt. It's easier than you think and results in a fresh, healthy treat. Let's get started on this culinary adventure together. To begin, select fresh, high-quality milk for your curd. The quality of your milk directly impacts the final yogurt. Once you have your curd, it's crucial to ensure it's firm and not watery. Excess liquid can make your yogurt thin. Gently strain any extra whey from the curd using a cheesecloth or fine mesh sieve. This step is vital for achieving a thick, creamy texture in your homemade yogurt. Aim for a consistency similar to soft cheese. Now, let's move to the fermentation. Gently warm your prepared curd to approximately 110 degrees Fahrenheit or 43 degrees Celsius. This temperature is ideal for bacterial growth. Next, incorporate a small amount of live yogurt culture, which acts as your starter. Mix it thoroughly into the curd. Then, maintain this warmth for about 6 to 8 hours. A warm oven or an insulated container works well. This period allows the beneficial bacteria to transform the curd into yogurt. Once fermented, your yogurt is almost ready. Refrigerate the yogurt for at least 2 hours to halt the fermentation process and allow it to set properly. This chilling period also enhances its flavor and texture. Store your delicious homemade yogurt in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 1 week. Enjoy it plain, with fruit, or in your favorite recipes. For easy meal prep, check the description for a link to leak-proof containers and other great deals. Making your own yogurt is a rewarding experience, offering fresh, healthy options for your family.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.